In this video I'll show how to use application for creating JSON file from Excel files. You can see on my computer I have Excel file. It's Excel mobile, it's a free version of Excel viewer. It's showing what is inside of Excel file. However, it's not allowing me to change anything, it's just like a viewer thing. And you can see I have a state name, state code, region and subregion for all 50 states from Alabama to Wyoming. And I'm going to be using this Excel file as example for converting it into JSON. And to do this, I will download and install application from this website. I will leave link site into description under this video. To find application, click on search and type Excel to JSON, and I'll need this Excel to JSON template. Click on download and wait until archive will be downloaded on my local computer. One important thing for this conversion is to close Excel file if it's open in Excel, because Excel is locking file and no other application can access it if Excel file is open. So before converting it to JSON, we need to close Excel file. Also, I'll be recording more videos on different conversion from Excel into JSON and from different formats into JSON. So if you're interested to see more videos, to see more application like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so we have archive downloaded. I will click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive and click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes and click finish on final screen. And you can see I have a new shortcut on my desktop and my application has been installed. Now I close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. On step 1 you have to select Excel file we will use as a data for JSON conversion. So I'll click on select input file. This is my states Excel file. I click on open and click on next step. Here I can specify format of the JSON. This is default format. So for example, data is a main header of the JSON file. So if I want to name it, for example, states, I can change it. If I want to change state name just to name, for example, I can do it. State code just to code, region, subregion is fine. And if I want to add any information at the end of the file, I can do that. If I, for example, if I want to add new field, like I want to add, for example, country, and I will add it as USA because I have all USA regions, states in there. So I can do changes in regards of header, footer, and changes in every structure of the record. Basically, this is how record will be formed based on data into Excel file. So click next step, click on preview, and you can see it comes out nicely. We have a states array with record inside. Every record has is a structure with the field name, field value, field name, field value, and we have all 50 states from Alabama to Wyoming. And you can see that this is first by creating Excel file, it writes header. For every record it writes body, and then it writes footer at the end, and that's it. So if I see this is nice and this is what I need, I click save results, and it's asking me for name location of the file. This name location is okay. I just click save, and file has been saved. Let's go and see file. So there are, I can open JSON file. I think Firefox can open JSON file nicely. Let's drag it to Firefox. Come on. I have a JSON viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside JSON file, and it's presenting it as a table. Also, I can filter JSON into filter field or export into Excel, back to Excel, to Word or web page, CSV, text, XML, and so on. So this is a nice app. I will leave a link on this app into description. It's free app. I'm using it a lot just to quickly open JSON file, see what's inside. Also, let's drag it to Firefox. Oh yeah, Firefox is nicely open in JSON. It's saying this is valid JSON. It has a state. It has a record. This is record 0, 1, and we see name. We added country. Everything is here. Everything is perfect. So basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. And if you'd like to see more application like this and more videos like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.